తెలంగాణ అసెంబ్లీ సమావేశాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Thank you. Jai Telangana, Jai Hind, Jai.
Sir, I take the opportunity to speak on the motion of thanks on the Governor's address. Honorable Speaker, sir, the Governor's address to the joint session of State Legislature yesterday is significant for several reasons. In the year 2022, we missed the Governor's address for reasons known to one and all. Let bygone be bygones. It is a good beginning in the relationship between the two top constitutional functionaries in the state. However, Honorable Speaker, sir, compared to her previous address to the state legislature on 15th March 2021, which consisted of 42 pages, her latest address is down to only 21 pages. I am sure in the last 2 years the Telangana has achieved significant progress, but this has not been truly reflected in the current address of the Honorable Governor, which has been quite brief on both fact and figures, I would say. Moreover, this address is notable not for what it says, but for what it is missing or omitted, I would say. The Governor's address, which reflects the view of the state government, is silent on the stepmotherly treatment being meted out to the Telangana state by the BJP government at the center. This has not been mentioned, sir. So there was not even a murmur of protest against the deliberate targeting of an injustice done to the Telangana by the BJP regime. I am so saddened to say, sir, before me 2 speakers have spoken, but none of them have spoken. किसी ने इस बात पर आवाज नहीं उठाई कि किस तरीके से तेलंगाना का हक छीना जा रहा है और तेलंगाना को उसके हक से महरूम किया जा रहा है। और यह बात भी नहीं बताई गई कि कितना पैसा तेलंगाना रियासत से मरकजी हुकूमत को हासिल होता है टैक्स के जरिए या मुख्तलिफ जराए के जरिए, और पलटकर क्या मिल रहा है तेलंगाना को, इस बात पर भी गवर्नर एड्रेस में न तस्करा किया गया न बोला गया। So the Honorable Chief Minister and other functionaries have been quite vociferous, I would say, quite aggressive. जब भी टेलीविजन के सामने आते हैं या पब्लिक मीटिंग्स में जाते हैं और बार बार कहते हैं about the raw deal being given to Telangana state ever since its formation in June 2014. Coincidentally, the BJP regained power at the just before Telangana's formation. Sir, I would like to know what are the reasons, sir. Sir, the omissions of any reference to the state plight at the hands of the central government raise questions. Has the state government deliberately chosen to ignore these issues in the governor's address to show courtesy to Her Excellency? Or has the Honorable Governor dropped certain portions of the text sent to her before the speech copies were printed and she read out the address? Or the reference to the central government high-handed attitude toward the state has been brushed aside after the Telangana Rashtra Samiti assumed the national avatar of Bharat Rashtra Samiti? क्या यह मजबूरियां हैं भारत राष्ट्र समिति बनने की? आमदन इसको भुला दिया गया या छोड़ दिया गया, या फिर कैबिनेट उमूमन तो यह होता है सर. Sir, I don't want to go into the rule position, sir. I might be wrong also. एक असेंबली सेशन को प्रोरोग करना पड़ता है, आप उसको खत्म करना पड़ता है, उसके बाद नोटिफिकेशन देना पड़ता है, फिर बजट का सेशन आना पड़ता है, 8 दिन का गैप होता है, ये तो कंटिन्यूएशन में है. Sir, I really don't know what is the sanctity of this governor's address, sir. I really do not know. What is the real sanctity of this? कि बस देना था, खैर अच्छा हुआ, गवर्नर साहिबा आई यहां पर. Sir, the governor's address finalized and approved by the state cabinet is a document which lists out the performance of the state government in the outgoing year and the policies and programs to be taken up in the ensuing year. Looked at from this point of view, the governor's address lacked power and punch since dismisses most of the achievement of the government in a paragraph or two. You can feel the difference if you compare the text of the governor's address in 21 and now, sir. Sir, और ये भी शायद अगर मैं गलत ना हूं तो आई मे बी करेक्टेड कि गवर्नर्स एड्रेस को कैबिनेट अप्रूव करता है और उसके बाद गवर्नर साहिबा के पास या गवर्नर के पास जाता है. पता नहीं अब इस एड्रेस को भी कैबिनेट ने मंजूर किया है.